Hello friends, welcome to my channel Jana Scribblings. What is success and how do you evaluate it? Success is actually reflected in our way of life. Once we have decided to choose a path and travel through it, we have to believe in ourselves that we have taken the right decision. So, here three things I have already mentioned: belief in yourself, choosing the correct decision, taking the correct decision and choosing the correct path. There is no doubt. So, all these words are combined while you are speaking about success. Decision making, that's very important. Then belief in the decision, choosing the correct path and traveling through it without any doubt. So deciding to go forward itself is success. Can I ask you to spell the word success? Yes, that is it. S itself is the word. YES is the word which gives you the confidence. Yes, I am ready to go. I am ready with my decision to open the chapter. It is reflected in our way of life. Success is not something that comes at the end of a journey. It comes along with us. Our journey is possible only if this success travels along with us. Otherwise, we would have stopped in the middle and turned back. And another important thing is, success is our determination not to accept defeat. Shall I tell you the story of The Old Man and the Sea by Ernest Hemingway? He is an 80-year-old man. He goes out for fishing at this age. Once he did not get what he wanted, so he ventured far into the sea, confronting all the forces of nature, rough sea, wind, all those things. But at last he gets the big catch, the biggest catch of his life, a big fish. I don't remember its name. And then he has to come back. And he comes back with that big catch in his boat. And what happens? Again the inimical forces come in the shape of sharks. They start to bite the fish. And by the time he reaches shore, his catch is finished. Just imagine his plight. He is completely exhausted. That's understood. But what happens, the next day he is again ready to venture out into the sea. So that's Santiago. What is the lesson that we get? Man can be destroyed, not defeated. So success is how we see the obstacles in our life. Every obstacle gives us better or makes us better. It's a lesson. Take every obstacle. It can be external obstacle, internal struggles also. To do or not to do, to be or not to be. As Shakespeare says, to be or not to be, whether I should be there. All types of these questions prop up whenever you decide to start a journey, every step you take, you should be confident to get the answer for every why. Why I am going here? Yes, I want to do this. So you have a definite goal. Before you start the journey, you are having a definite goal, is it not? An aim. That aim should be there in your mind, and towards that you are traveling. So for every step, when you meet an obstacle, you should have an answer. How I should surpass it, how I should get over it, what answer can I give, like that. So if you are prepared to meet the challenges, one after another it will come. If you are prepared to meet the challenges, again your next step is a success, because you are deciding again to go forward only. That's why I told you, life is our way of life, how we choose it to be. We are traveling to capture something as the way we want it, not as the way somebody has told it. So it's your own decision. So you cannot fumble. When this fumbling comes, suppose I will give you a small example. It is raining, you are not able to go out. You have decided to go out, but this rain comes as an obstacle. How have you to take it? You have to take it as an indication that it is not the time to start. So every obstacle you take as an indication from God Almighty. If you believe in God, you can take it that way. So there comes, all these obstacles are an indication only. You can think for a while. You can very well stop in the middle, but you should not take a U-turn. That you have to be very careful. So if you plan your journey and be prepared to meet the challenges and take lessons from each experience, your life is a big success only. Nothing like that. Another thing is that you have to be careful about who all are following you. You have to give them a lesson. Your life should be a lesson to them, an inspiration to them. Maybe your children, maybe your young ones, juniors. If you are a teacher, your students. So someone or other will be there to copy you. Your success story will be an inspiration to them. Through your life, if you can inspire at least one person, that's the greatest success of your life. Make others happy with your experience. Make others smile. Make your nearest and dearest one smile. So, you give an example to others through your success stories, how you have surpassed your difficulties. It will be a great boost to yourself and also to people who are closely following you. There are so many things to learn from experiences. Learn the best. Don't copy the worst experiences. Better take examples from the best experience and move forward. Always forward. Thank you friends for watching. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. All the best.